especially Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a nice one, 2008 Ford Shelby GT Mustang. Vista blue, dark charcoal leather interior. Tad bit over 23,000 original miles on this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Confirms miles. Titled states spent the majority of its life in Missouri, a little bit over in Indiana. And it definitely shows. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, Vista blue with the silver stripes. Those are vinyl. Shelby hood scoop. Shelby hood pins. Of course, riding on the torque thrust style polished aluminum wheels, and those are in nice shape, by the way. We have Goodrich radials on it. 4.6 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Serialization number from Shelby on this one, 1216. There was approximately 2,300 of them made, including the California special grabber orange ones, the Barrett Jackson GTs. So I believe there's about 2,300 of them made between the coupes and convertibles and the different colors. Interior still stock. All the serialization plates from Shelby are in the correct places, and you can check those out in the still pictures. There is also the Shelby paperwork, the original Ford window sticker. Those can all be checked out in the still pictures. The other thing is remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in and email. Now, of course, a little rundown. I can go through what you're going to find out as far as with the Shelby conversion. This was done in Las Vegas at Shelby, not to be confused with the GT500s that were done at Ford. This would have 355 rear gears in it. Would also have the Ford Racing and Handling package installed at Shelby, which is, in a nutshell, lowering springs, front rear dampeners, strut tower brace. Would also have the Ford Racing power upgrade, which is going to be the 90 millimeter cold air kit, performance tune, performance mufflers, X-pipe. Then, of course, you'd have your fascias front and rear, side skirts. You're also going to have your hood scoop. Would have the Hurst short throw shifter in it. That is still correct and in the car. And then again, the appearance plaque and numbers on the door sills, the dash plaques underneath the hood is going to be number 1216. You can see all that on the Shelby window sticker, again, that was out of Vegas. That would have been an addendum to the Ford Mustang window sticker that came with this car. And that is seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Especially Mustangs have really gained in popularity. Have not lasted long when we've got them in, especially when they're in this kind of shape. Don't expect this one will last long either, especially the Vista blue. Very popular color. Now, as far as some of the equipment on the inside, power windows, power locks, tilt and cruise, of course, power driver's seat. This one does have XM capabilities, as you can see from the antenna right back there on the rear deck. Also, it have AM, FM CD player with the Shaker 500 system. And of course, like I said earlier, AC and power steering and power brakes. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Get the keys ready first a second. I want the door chime going off when we're checking it out. And we'll check the exact miles for you also here. All right, there's going to pop up your miles, 23,941. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. There's your Shaker 500 system with a 6 CD stackable changer in dash. see, dash, everything in nice shape. You can tell this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. There's your serialization number from Shelby 1216. 08 Shelby GT is the SGT, and then the 1216 car number. Take a close look at those seats too if you want to. Nothing to be ashamed of there. Wearing very nicely. What you typically see with the way the leather wrinkles. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this. A little different muffler than a stock GT is going to have. Nice throaty little rumble coming out of that. Alright. I'm going to pause this a second. We're going to pop these hood pins. And again, a Shelby specific hood pin system. So let's pause this a second. I'm going to pop those, get the hood open, check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood open. Check out that hood liner. You can tell this car has been driven in inclement weather. 4.6 liter, again with a performance tune, 90 millimeter cold air system from Ford Racing. This one's been dressed up a little bit too with some of the polished aluminum covers there, some of the caps over there. There's your strut tower brace. Very neat and tidy engine bay, no doubt about that. On the hood plaque, again, 08 Shelby GT, number 1216. See that? There we go. Everything's there that should be. Nice clean car. Clean Carfax. A little over 23,000 miles. Vista Blue Ford Mustang Shelby GT. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.